All right, so our other bunt defense, we have runners on first and second. In this situation, the first baseman will be charging. Pitcher has to cover third, anywhere in this red area. Second baseman needs to get over and cover first. Shortstop covers second, and third baseman stays home for that force out at third base. Now you can see this blue area. If it is bunted hard, a really good bunt, that's what ideally the offense wants to do. Bunts it hard one down the third base line. The third baseman needs to charge and make the play over to first. So I'm going to clear that and give you one more look here. So this will be our 13 bunt defense. 1 stands for the pitcher in 13, and the 3 stands for the first baseman, the numbers of the positions that they play. So here it is, bunt to first, second baseman's covering. If we have a play at third base, we go ahead and make it. But the most important thing on a bunt is to get an out. Misplayed bunt defensive situations often lead to really big innings for the offense. So get an out somewhere. Catcher's in charge. He has to yell where we want to make the play. If there's any doubt, turn and throw to first base.